Hello, my name is Tabitha Davies. I did my VIA character strengths profile and I got honesty, leadership, kindness. Let's see if I can switch over since I'm in here. Love, hope, judgment, love of learning. I honestly would not say that I have a love of learning overall, but I do for continuing education in my field. So I guess maybe there's a little bit, but it's very specific. I look through this and I hope that I'm an honest person. I hope that I'm a kind person. The one that spoke to me the most is hope, and that's actually what I chose to do my visual on. So here are the things that speak hope to me. So when my other half holds my hand or I hear my kids laughing, it can be one of those things where even on the worst day, the most stressed out moment that you have, there's hope for the day to turn around or the situation to change. I grew up in Ontario, Canada, so maple trees and the changing colors of fall mean a little bit more to me. It's more like hope to be able to go see my family and hope to be able to plant a maple tree on our property so that my kids can enjoy it. It's not normal in our area, and it's definitely not a zone for our area, so it might not be something that works out, but I hope for that. Being able to see my dogs get to be dogs and being able to help my clients understand how to assess their dog's needs and meet their dog's needs and just enjoy their dogs getting to be dogs and understanding that the function of a lot of behaviors are normal and natural for dogs in general, and that they need to have outlets for certain types of behaviors, and really helping to strengthen that relationship gives me hope for a better future for animals. Being able to walk out in my garden and smell the fresh lavender that I have growing and watching my kids get excited over hot air balloons whenever they see them. And I literally mean whenever they scream, especially my 3-year-old screams and gets so excited. My 13-year-old, who's almost 14, screams and gets excited and points them out to my 3-year-old. And my other half calls me if he sees them in a certain area that he knows we're driving by so that I can have my kids look out for it. Being able to be near streams or lakes is just kind of soothing. But if we take care of our environment, if we can start doing better than we are now towards people and nature overall, we can provide a better future and a better world for generations to come. We have a family of desert kit foxes that live on our property. We've been able to catch them with the game cam, and it's really cool to know that what we've done is we've created a safe space for them that's not necessarily predator proof, allows them to do whatever they need to do. We don't interact with them, but they're able to thrive and build their own little, family and life on the edge of our property, and it's very cool. Being able to look out at my farm of rescued and adopted animals gives me hope that we're going to be able to achieve our dreams of actually being like way more self-sufficient. And I know how to make cheese now, but I would really like to get better at milking my goats. So things that we have plans, maybe one day being able to be debt free, but looking at my house that I used to physically be unable to look at because it upset me so much. And as we've been working on it for the last several months so that we avoid homelessness, we are in civil litigation on this house, and it has been absolutely horrible. It will never be completely remediated for mold. We don't know what we're doing, but I built those stairs that are there, and we have that fancy porta potty that we had brought in from the disposal service so that we can use the bathroom while we're working on it. But every day that we work on it, I find something else about the house that makes me hopeful that I'm actually going to enjoy living in it with my family and being able to provide for my family again. And so, yeah, that's what it said about me. I don't fully think I believe a lot of the character profiles because I believe that we as humans, behavior is not static and our life experiences shape who we are, and that we can grow and evolve and change as people. So I think that like now at this point in my life, it has these listed, but they might change or change in order as I grow and as I hopefully learn to be a better person. So yeah, I hope that this was informative for you, and thank you for listening.